Hello and welcome to another 2 Minutes with a Novak. Real quick, I'm going to show you how to set the phone type field. So if we look in the campaign builder, there is an option for set a field value, but it doesn't give you access to any of the phone type fields. So you've got to use an action set. So here, if I were to add an action set real quick, come down here and you can name it, add new action, you come down to set a contact field to a specific value, and now you have the option for phone type. So if you wanted to set, say, phone type 5 to a mobile phone, the value is mobile, and then you just click save. And now if you go back to the campaign builder, there's an option right here for action set. So I'm going to drag this over, and action set is going to be the one I just created. It sets the field value. And then you can say right here why you're using it. I would encourage you to say, because the native campaign builder set field value doesn't give access to the phone type fields. And save. That's it. You may not have action sets enabled. I think if you ask Infusionsoft support, they may enable it for you, but I don't know the process. We could also create a tool for this, but currently we don't have any plans to because we're hoping that Infusionsoft makes it work the way it should. Thanks.